Hello, I would wish to take you through the fuel LPG lubricants management system. So this is how our system launches. So here we just key in the password of the system. Then we shall be taken to the dashboard. You can see that here you are logged in as Don. So we have two modules. We have the forms modules and reports modules. So I start by clicking on sales, like when I want to do sales. Then there are two buttons here, very important. We have hide ribbon and show ribbon. So I'll click on hide ribbon so that my system will be maximized. So in case I need to do the sales of petrol, I just click on petrol. Once I click on petrol, like for example, I want to do sales today. Today is different. Today is a different date. So I want to do sales on 21st. So I click on the date. I want to click on 21st. Then I choose the product. The product is petrol. You see, I'll go by this label here. So petrol. How many liters? 5 liters. What is the price of each liter? The price of liter today will be 200. So I click on 200. Then in case there are some drippings of the 5 liters, for example, there was about 0.89 drippings of around 1 liter. Then here you will see the total, that is 5,000 times 200. So the total sold is 1,000. Then which method? This guy paid using cash and was served by W. So that is the sale of petrol. So I just save the record or refresh. Then from there, another customer may come by. For example, if I had crossed this one, it takes me back to dashboard. So in case there is another customer who want LPG, I just go to LPG. So today is on 21st. I just choose LPG. Quantity, one need one. Price, let's say that 800. That is the gas. Then here, this is total gas. Total gas. That is the category. Let's say this one was okay, gas. Such. So this is 3800 since it's 1 times 3800. Then this paid via M-Pesa, but paid 3800. Then who served this person? W. So that is the LPG. So I refresh. So again, I cross. If there is another sales for, let's say, diesel, today is 21st, diesel, then I sold 5 liters of diesel at 156. Then there is 0 drippings. So this is the amount. Then this one was paid by cash. This was paid by cash. Then the salesperson is W. W today is on duty. So I refresh, save, cross. Another customer comes, I need to do the lubricants. So I just go to lubricants. The day is on 21st. I am selling lubricants. How many? 10 at each 400. That will be around 4K. Then you can just describe the lubricant. Let's say engine oil. Engine oil. That is that is the category. Then was served by W. So again, if somebody else comes for kerosene, you save, refresh, cross. So I just go to sales. I want to sell kerosene. So I sell kerosene. Today is on 21st. I'm selling kerosene. How many liters? 10 liters at each 445. So there is 0 drippings. Then this was paid by M-Pesa. This who served B. So guys, after looking at this one, you can also close this. Then go to the reports modules. The reports modules, just click on the report modules. We have the overall reports. Like for example, I want to see the overall reports of LPG sales. So I just click on that. Then I can be in a position to see dates today. I have sold one, that 800. This is the total report of the LPG. So again, I can just cross this one, then go back to the reports. Again, if, for example, I want to see the sales I did today, that is for diesel, I just click on per date, then 21/08/2023. So you see, I have just done one sale of diesel where I sold 5 liters of diesel at 156. This is the amount, and who served that person, it is W. So again, when I cross this one again, I can just go and see the overall kerosene sales. That is overall kerosene sales. You see the overall kerosene sales from 18th to 21st of August 2023. So far we have sold 93.60 of that. Then on the other hand, on this on the same system here, for example, if I quit this one, let me just look at this. If I quit this one, if I quit the system completely, then launch the system again from scratch, that is the back end. Just a moment. I want just to load the system from the back end. You'll notice that now this is the back end of the system. This system, if, for example, I want to see the, that is the diesel stock here. You see now, diesel in liters, I have bought or have brought in 5,600 liters. Then I want to see the remaining stock. So I click on the report. You'll be in a position to see that so far I have sold, okay, I brought 15 liters and 56. So far the total liters sold is 71. That is the total of this. This is the total liters that have been brought. Drippings, there is 8. So from here, you can be in a position to see sum of drippings are 8 liters. The difference between whatever I brought and whatever I brought here, the difference should be around 10. So this is also another module that helps you to do the calculations of the drippings and the, like, for example, again, when we come to this point, kerosene in stock, I bought around 4,500. So when I just go to petrol, the same, I'll be in a position to see, I key in the amount of liters I brought in petrol. So I'll be in a position to see the total drippings at the end of the day. So here, like, for example, here you can see we have that is petrol. I brought around how many liters? 23 liters, and there is 6 liters drippings. So the difference is this, and these are the salesperson. Like, for example, salesperson's W has 1 liter drippings. Again, the foreign sale, he had 0. Again, X had 5 liters drippings out of 12. So there was a sale of 7. So again, this is that is part of the system that shows you the amount of liters that you brought in, that is, you key in here. So this guy brought 5,600 diesel. So when you go to the drippings, you'll be in a position to see, like, for example, when you go to total sales of diesel, you'll be in a position to see which date, how many liters were sold, the price, the mode of payment, the total sold, and who served the customer. So thank you very much for watching. Also remember to subscribe on my channel and also share my videos.